This is a super easy stitch, which I feel is great to add some interest between stitches. Let us learn the basic technique first. Make 2 small stitches as the anchors. Now come out from close to one of the stitches and pass under the 2 stitches in a circular pattern. I'm using the blunt side to avoid the needle from catching the thread on the way. Do this 2 or 3 times before ending the stitch. That is it. The rich woven oval is ready. Now let's work in a row of running stitches. I'm just going to continue adding more stitches to the first one. After making a row of running stitch, pass the needle under the 2 stitches in a circular manner to create the woven oval. Move to the next one and continue. This is a stitch used in the chicken scratch embroidery, and it is highly decorative when used on borders and even as isolated stitches. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by liking, sharing, and commenting. You can learn more stitches from my channel, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check out the description to find links to my ebook store where you will find books for various learners and my Patreon account where you can have access to various patterns to apply these stitches. Thank you so much for watching.